Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at, of course, is the motor out of that 8200 switcher. And I've taken the motor out and I have installed the diode right here on this side of the CAN motor. It doesn't make any difference which side you put it on. But the nice thing about this, of course, is it now will run on AC. So I've got the power turned on, put it on track 4, it runs forward. Put it on track 3, it runs forward. Put it on track 2, it runs forward. So this is up and ready to go. So I'll just put the shell back on it, put the push rods back on it, and as you see, it's up and running on standard AC power now. That's 50% power, pulling it just with the motor. So as you see, this works. It works rather well. Plenty of power, pulling 10 cars with just the motor. So all you have to do is add a single diode to the CAN motor and it'll now run on AC. And this is permanent. It'll run forever on AC now. So anyway, this is half-wave rectified. Now you can add a second diode, but it won't run a bit better. So there's no point in doing it. So a single diode, and I posted the link in the description of the diodes I'm using. There are probably more efficient ones, but these were really cheap. I mean, 20 cents a piece, there's 10 of them, $2, free shipping. It's really hard to beat that. And it works. It works really, really well. It's simple, it's quick. It only takes a minute to do this. And I just soldered the diode to this side. First I unsoldered the power wire. Soldered the diode there, soldered the power wire onto the diode. That's it. That's all it takes. So I'll reassemble this. It'll be up, ready to go. It will now run on AC on any AC layout. So a really, really quick and easy way to convert any DC locomotive to run on AC. It only takes a minute to do this. It's really quick and it's really cheap. 20 cents and a few minutes. You need a soldering iron, of course, but it only takes a minute to do this. So anyway, just one quick video so you can see the simplicity of this. One single diode and you've converted a straight DC locomotive to run on standard AC track. Really simple. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. I'll get this reassembled, put it back on the rail. It'll be up and ready to run. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.